All right, folks, let's talk about it. 2024 has wrapped up, and the real estate market, well, it's been a ride, I can tell you that. Whether you're a homeowner, an investor, or just someone watching from the sidelines, I know you've been wondering what is going to happen in 2025? What's next? Will the prices keep rising up? Are interest rates going to finally settle in? And most importantly, is now a good time to buy or sell? Well, stick around because I've got some answers for you. All right, let's rewind to the beginning of 2024. The real estate market kicked off with a little bit of uncertainty. Interest rates were still high and inventory was, well, it was kind of tight, and especially for buyers, right? They were concerned, should they jump in right now? And when is the perfect time to do so? Or should they continue to wait? But here's what actually happened. Demand never really disappeared. People still needed homes. And as the year went on, we saw some big shifts. So summer brought a little bit of a surprise. The rates started to dip down just enough to wake up the market. And suddenly buyers, well, those that were sitting on the fence, well, they jumped in. We did see some multiple offers come back in some areas, but guess what? It wasn't the same crazy bidding wars that we saw in 2021 and 2022. Buyers were smarter, and sellers, well, they had to adjust their expectations. And now, as we have already closed out 2024, we're kind of at a crossroads. Some people think that the market's about ready to explode, while others are sitting back and saying, listen, it's going to be slowing down. So what is really going on? All right, so let's dive into the numbers and kind of see what we've got going on. All right, so let's break it down into simple terms. So what's going on with home prices? They're still up year over year, but not skyrocketing like we had seen in the prior years. During 2020 through 2023, we saw double-digit appreciation in the North Atlanta market. However, last year we saw about a 7% increase as a whole in that same area, that North Atlanta metro area. So what is going to happen in 2025? Well, all the experts predict that probably have some modest increases. We are not anticipating pricing going down or your values going down, but we're not going to see these crazy double-digit increases that we've seen in the past. What about interest rates? Well, they're settling in at about 6.5% right now. And experts predict they're going to pretty much be stable throughout 2025. So I would not anticipate any kind of huge fluctuations up or down with the interest rates heading into 2025. All right, so let's talk about inventory. Well, it's still lower than what we'd like, but new listings have picked up slightly, giving buyers some more choices. However, we are still extremely depleted with inventory, so don't anticipate a flood of homes hitting the market anytime soon. The key points about that is that if you are a seller, pricing right is going to be key. You're not going to get those wild over asking offers unless your home is truly special. And if you're a buyer, you've got a little more power than before, but waiting too long could mean paying more if rates do drop and the demand actually starts to pick up. All right, so the big question that we get all the time is, should I buy or sell right now? Well, let's be real. There's no real one-size-fits-all answer to that. But here's how you really want to think about it. If you're a seller, there still is a very strong market, and the key is presentation and pricing. Homes that are move-in ready, well-maintained, and priced strategically are selling fast. Outdated and overpriced listings, well, they're sitting a little bit longer on the market. If you're a buyer, don't try and time the market perfectly. Focus on getting the home that fits your needs at a price you can afford. If the rates drop later, great, go ahead and refinance it. If prices go up, you'll be really glad you bought now. So here's the bottom line. Real estate is a long game, and the best time to make a move is when it makes sense for you. All right, so what's your next move? Are you thinking about buying in 2025 or selling before the market shifts again? Let's have a conversation. Drop me a comment or DM me. I'd love to help you navigate the market and make the best decision for your situation. Oh, and before I go, make sure you hit that button if you thought this was helpful. Subscribe for more market updates, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.